All right, if you clicked on this, you already know what's going on. We got a flip kit here from Trail Gear, and I'm doing other stuff, but this is just a short video to show you if you're gonna do a flip kit, how it goes down. All right, first get it on some jack stands. I'm just going right off the receiver here. I think that should give me enough. Let's get these wheels off and start tearing it down. All right, once you get your wheel off, if you're just doing this flip kit, then you got some 19s on the bottom and 4 of them on each side. And yeah, we'll just break those loose and get this stuff yanked out of here. Okay, we got the U-bolts pulled, the bump stop, and the plate on the bottom. All right, once you get the U-bolts off and the plate, the old plate off, basically you're gonna redo it upside down. So the kit that we got here, yours might be the same or different. Mine comes unpainted, so we're gonna hit this with a little bit of paint, slap it on there. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. These are super thick. And then mine's set up for super bumps, so we're gonna do that. But yeah, so let's get this painted and get it slapped under there. All right, we're all back together here. So this is what a flip kit looks like. I'm running the super bump. This is a all pro setup or Trail Gear or Wheelers, or they're all the same. This is all buttoned up. For the super bump, I didn't torque any sort of spec. I just German spec'd it and Loctited everything except for the U-bolts. And yeah, that's it. So there you go. Put your wheels back on and be done. All right, we got the wheels and tires back on. I haven't been running this setup for a super long time. It's been on the road maybe a couple of weeks, and I really can't say anything bad about it. I haven't really hit any crazy trails or anything, just a few fire roads and trails, nothing too wild, so I can't really say anything about the clearance, but you can see that it adds a significant amount of clearance by going with the flip kit. And yeah, the suspension in the rear of the truck is all brand new, as you can tell, and so far it's been great. I can't really say anything bad, but time will tell. Anyways, with all that said, this stuff adds a lot of time to my installs, filming, editing, all that good stuff. You guys show some support, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.